Well, it's been just raining and raining and raining, so I thought I'd come down to the old flying field at Area 51 and hopefully it won't be raining. Yeah, I think I got it wrong. Poor old oval's looking a bit rough too. Usually it's better maintained than this. Dead spots everywhere. So I'll sit here for a while and see if the rain dissipates. Meanwhile, this is the Folland Gnat, all ready to go. If I'm zoomed out, it's a bit checky. Yep. So there we are, 12-inch wingspan. My model weighs with the 3S 300 tattoo lipo 130.8 grams. So that's what I'm up against. It should be a nice lightweight. When I picked it up just before and put it in the car, to me it felt nice and light. When I first made it, it felt heavy because I'm so used to the foamies. So, well, we just sit here and wait for the rain to stop, if it does. If it does, I'm going to get out there, give it a maiden, and it should land fairly slick on this grass, if it doesn't start off as a lawn dart. Alright, I'll just sit here and wait. Alright, it's go time. The rain stopped, there's a bit of blue above me. Let's see if it was all worth it. Well, that was an absolute lawn dart. I mean, that screamed down. Oh, that really jammed in there. It's thrown the battery way forward. Oh man, did that smash that into the ground. The battery is stuck. Oh, I'll show you. Battery is jammed. It slid forward and it's jammed right at the front there. Never seen anything lawn dart so hard. I'm going to have to throw that way up into the wind. Up. So, launch it with a bit of up, eh? Should dial that in. Get everything dialed in. Right, I'm going to hold up while I'm launching it. Do it, no! Woohoo! I got a dog on the lawn. Luckily I threw it really hard, because that's important. That's always the fun bit. Weak it. Poopy's taking his Mr. Poopy for a dog walk. Got quite a breeze here. Alright, right up as well. Gee whiz, alright. Oh, it definitely worked. I'm up, but holy cow. I'm going to pull up and pull left, and I'm struggling. So I'm going to cut and quite better when it's got no bloody throttle. Well, that was horrifying. Put the battery back forward a bit, eh? Oh, and it was wanting to go hard left too. Oof, yuck. Where's the battery? Alright, come forward a bit. Oh, it's a bit loose in here. I'm a bit worried about how horrifyingly I was holding it hard right to stop it from going hard left. We'll try again. That was horrifying. Oh, mummy. I need more throw. Alright, let's try again, eh? It's not that as horrifying as it was last time. Right, hold up. Oh, look out! Back up the throttle, Dave. my battery shut itself. It's an excellent glider though. I'm trying to turn left and it's just not letting me. Oh, there we go. Oh, horrifying. 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 But, greased it in.
Wait, that guy's on film.
Back in a minute. In one piece, it freaking got up there, but oh my goodness, it really wants to pull to the left. I'm wondering if the model's actually heavy on the left hand side. I'll have to check that out. Or it's the torque of the motor that's spinning it to the left. Because it calmed down when I throttled back, it stopped doing it. So it could be the torque of the motor. Well, okay, well she's in one piece, covering a bit of the old, whatever that is, weedy stuff, pollen. But one piece that's, with the battery, it was flat. I don't know what happened. See, it cuts out. So, yeah, she's dying. I've only got one battery because I didn't know which one to use. Alright. Well, we'll call that eventful. Once we use the word successful, we'll use the word eventful. See you next video.